is from you. This is my magazine. There's a panda on it. Oh no! He's riding on that monster truck. I told him not to. And he drops glitter. Let's go get him. Why did you litter? And I told you not to ride that monster truck. This magazine was mine. That's it. You're going to jail. Now get in jail.
Oh no!
What's your dead, baby? Not a big car. Well, Teddy to get out of jail. I better get him. Oh, I'm stuck. He won't get away from me. Gotcha. Not again. I had to go real again. Come on, let's go in jail. Oh no!
Construction site! Construction site! Go that way! Go that way! Go that way! Go that way! This way! This way! Ah!
Lots of jam! Whoops. What? He just destroyed that construction site. Let's get him. I'm stuck. All you need to happen. What's taking him so long? Can I go away, Saul? Oh, yeah, I'm ready. And you're gonna put a gun to you. What did you do?
Go.
Oh, now I'm stuck in jail.
Hi, sir. Welcome to my candy shop. I have chocolate candy, Paw Patrol candy, and donuts. What do you want?
A donut.
I figured that. Okay, it's $2.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day. Go catch some bad guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, dude!
Welcome to our candy shop. This is my candy helper. We have chocolate, Paw Patrol, some suckers falling. What would you like today? Ah! You just gonna take it all?
Yeah.
You sure you want to take all that?
Yep.
Okay, well it's $20. Sawyer, it's taking him a really long time to grab that wallet. He stole our candy! Lise? Yes, we have a candy shop and somebody stole candy from my baby. You're the policeman!
What's the problem, guys?
He took our candy!
What do you look like?
Was he wearing a blue shirt? And he had spiky hair
Oh
and glasses and
What?
he stole our candy.
And what is he driving?
He was driving a monster truck.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so candy from a baby.
I love my garden. I just planted it. Aren't these flowers beautiful?
What beautiful flowers! I'm gonna go get some.
Hot out here. I'm gonna go get a drink.
My mommy would really like these yellow ones. I better hurry before that guy comes back out.
My flowers!
Thank you, sir, for the flowers. Now, bye.
Come back here with my flowers!
Yum, yum.
I didn't catch him. I'm gonna have to call the police. Hello, police? Yes, somebody stole my flowers.
Okay. I'll be like this. Bye.
Yes, I'm over here, in front of the rock. Okay, bye.
He wasn't funny. He hit my truck. Hey, so what's the problem?
Well, I was over here planting my flowers and somebody took them.
Okay, why do you look like?
Well, he was in a blue shirt, and he had spiky hair, and he was eating candy.
Oh, I know what
Make sure that you click that red subscribe button right now and click the bell right next to it.